pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, and we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hello guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope that you will decide by the end of the video to join the Gem Squad family. And my returning gems, thank you so much for coming back. I've got an unboxing today that I didn't know I was going to do. I asked you guys if I should unbox it on my community tab, and it looks like that's what you wanted me to do. Let me just tell you, I was waiting for my Boxyluxe last month. They told me that it got lost and they were going to send me out another one, but they couldn't guarantee me getting the items that I had chosen and whatever. And I was like, all right. And then my Boxyluxe showed up a couple weeks ago in this month, October. So I unboxed it for you guys. And now this one came. So I'm assuming this is the replacement one. So we're going to go through it and see what I'm going to do with these repeats, if there are any. Okay, so Boxyluxe is the quarterly lifestyle box. I think that they might have increased the price. It's usually like $50, so I believe it's $34.99 in addition to your $25, so that's that. Okay, this is what it looks like, and I can already tell you I've got the contour palette that was actually in my first Luxe. So let's pull her out. Cab Cosmetics, $60 value. This just has your powders in it, your bronzers, and you know, I'm going to open her up, but I'm not going to swatch her. You can check out the swatches if you would like in my other video, but I'm definitely going to put her probably in my end of year giveaway. But this is what it looks like here. It's actually pretty good for travel. You got your setting powders in here. You've got your brightening banana. You've got a nude powder. You've got sand. You've got suntan over here. And you got a caramel bronzer there. So it's pretty neat. I mean, if they're your colors, you could totally use it. All right. Now, let's see what else we got. The Grace and Stella Let's Just Sleep. This was actually a jelly kind of looking like eye patch. You can put it in the refrigerator or you can put it in the freezer. So it has like these little jelly balls in there. What was the $18 value? This is also an item I got in the other box. So I'm going to put that aside. Then we've got, which is another repeat item, Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. And if I remember correctly, this was really, really whipped. I'm going to open it up, but I'm not going to touch it or anything. Let me just show you. Super whippy. So that's your moisturizer. Okay. What else do we have? Oh, I think I see another repeat. Yes! The Bamboo Body Polish. I opened this and it was like so liquidy. It was crazy. But it felt like a really watered down sugar scrub. Like really watered down. Now, let me see. What was the value of this? $49. Stop it. That's crazy for body polish. And I mean, like, you could use the whole thing in one shower. All right, let's see what else we got. Ooh, Rare Beauty Brow Harmony Pencil and Gel in Soft Blonde. $22 value. This I did not get. So let's open her up. You know, I still use Benefit brow products, and as much as we get brow products in these boxes, I've never completely switched because I haven't found one that I really like. Now this has got the angled tip. Oh my goodness, are you kidding? Wow. Okay, so there's the pigment there. This is what it is here. I could actually use that for the front of my brow. That would be okay. All right, let's look at the, wow, that's really small, but let's see for the brow gel. It's a longer brush than what I'm used to. The formula seems like it's making my brows thicker, but it's not like crazy. It's not clumping. Like if you saw my other Boxycharm video, this one is clumping. Okay, so I'm liking that. I'm definitely going to try this again. What else we got? Iconic Triple Threat Mascara. This is a repeat as well. What is your price? Did I tell you the Saturday Skin was $57? If not, there it is. This here, the mascara, is $26. I have not opened it yet. I'm not going to open this one because I'm going to give it to somebody. I didn't open the one that I have yet either. I think there's, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Okay, let me see. All right, so I got the new company Defense Drops again. And they had like $35 value. I tasted it. You can put it in water and it's supposed to help your immunity or something like that. Okay, so now I see the mini flat iron and I am so excited to see her because the other ones I've gotten have disappeared. Yes, and I really could use a new flat iron, so I'm excited. This has a $99 value. Oh, she's super sleek. Yes. Adagio, California. I'm guessing that's how you say it, but here she is here. Oh, it's ceramic. Ooh, nice and slim. I'm liking it. On and off button. Shows probably red. It says power. The light, but it doesn't say like medium or super hot or anything like that. All right, so I'm excited. All right, let's recap and see what we got. All right, so we got the flat iron, the contour palette with all the different powders, the eye mask, the body scrub, the mascara, the Saturday Skin moisturizer, the Defense Drops, which I doubt anyone's going to use, the Rare Beauty dual-ended brow. What else? Was that it? I think that was it. Yeah, that was everything. Again, no palette. Okay. I will put the total value of this box on the screen. I think what I'm going to do, I'll probably do an updated video, but I have all of you that are subscribed to my channel are Gem Squad members. That's what I call you. And then there are some that get added perks, and they pay for that monthly service, and I give them a welcome gift as well as a raffle ticket, because at the end of the year I go ahead and take new makeup releases from the current year 2021, and at the end of the year, those of you that I've sent those tickets to, or you've accumulated some other way, you don't have to be a member to get one. You can actually watch a video that has the little ticket in there, and I use Random Picker to pick people from there, and then I go ahead and send them the ticket. You get half, I get half. The end of the year, I pull it out, and we give away a bunch of new releases. So that's what I think I'm going to do with the doubles in this box. Why not add more to the giveaway? And before you know it, it's going to be here. All right, guys, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Make sure that you are checking out the community tab. That's where I post a lot of updates, giveaways, welcomes to new members. Julie was our newest Gem Squad member. I don't know if she saw the post, but welcome. And I tried to get in touch with you by posting on the community tab to please email me. I'll leave my email in the comment section below, because there's a welcome gift and there's a raffle ticket for you. All right, guys, if you've got any questions, put them down in the comment section. I will do my very best to answer them. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you guys real soon. Another one. Bye.